Here we have a patient who is to receive 100 mils of dextrose 5%, and you're required to infuse this dextrose for 30 minutes using a volumetric pump. And the question is asking, what rate would you set the pump at? So we could do a few things here. We could start breaking the question down, and we could of course start with this, where we got our volume, which is 100 it's mils that you need to infuse, and then we got the time here, which is 30 minutes. And that's all we got for now, and the question is asking the rate. Remember, whenever you see the rate over here, it always says it's mils per hour, so we need to find the rate in mils per hour, which is equal to volume over time. That's the formula that we normally use. The time needs to be in hours. It's always in hours, and volume always be in milliliters when you're doing these calculations. So now at this point, we know that the volume is 100 mils, and the time that we got here is 30 minutes. But remember, we can't use minutes because here we need to use hours. What can we do at this point? We need to convert the 30 minutes to hours, into hours. In other words, you're saying 30 minutes that you've been given, divide by 60 minutes in 1 hour, and this by 31 by this will give us 2, and this is equal to 0.5 of an hour, and that's what you need to use as your time. So we could just say here our rate that we got here is equal to volume, which is 100 mils, divided by 0.5 hours. And if you're to use your calculators here, this should give you 200 mils per hour. And what I mean by this is, this we could just, by 0.5 is 1, by 0.5, if you have to use your calculator, this will be 200. And that means this will be 200, it's mils per hour. And that's where this one will come there. And you got the hours just over there. And this becomes your final answer.